Hello, good evening. My name is Stanley Ross. I did my PowerPoint presentation lesson plan on adding using number sentences. All right, the Tennessee Standard 20AA1, add and subtract within 100 to solve one and two-step contextual problems with unknowns in all positions, involving situations of add to, take from, put together, take apart, and compare. Use objects, drawings, and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. The lesson objectives. Students will be able to add using materials, objects, and pictures, helping them to solve number sentences. This section will only focus on addition and will introduce subtraction near the end of the lesson, introducing it for the next lesson. Materials. We're utilizing the whiteboard, marbles, scratch paper, counting cubes, blocks, and a worksheet. Also, we'll be doing do nows, and also there'll be a video presentation also as well. As at the end of the lesson, there will be a test, and also, well, before the test, there'll be an exit ticket, and then the next day will be consisting of a test. To introduce this lesson, I will start off by playing a 10-minute video which talks about use addition and subtraction within 100, and those will be in the have examples of word sentences. Next, the board work. I do, you do. I will go over each problem. I work the first problem first. Josh had 16 marbles in his collection. He lost 7 marbles. How many marbles does he have now? That pretty much it deals with that question deals with subtraction. So more of the other questions would be focused on addition, which is the main area that we'll be focused on in this lesson. After doing the board work of I do, you do, we will then go into a worksheet of the assessment of addition problems within 100, and that will be consistent of using pictures and which is like also using the number sentences, and they will go and do each problem. Say for example, like the first problem, there are 25 fish in one pond. There are 23 in another pond. How many in total? So they will work it out to the side and then come out with the total, filling in the blank for the answer. And then this procedure follows on until the next problem, all the way for 5 problems. Next, there will be of the of the assignment, it would be the exit ticket, in which it's consists of the word problems. I can solve word problems. The directions solve the word problems using the drawings and or equations. Steve had 37 baseball cards. He got 12 more for his birthday. How many baseball cards does he have now? The next question, the bakery sold 64 cupcakes on Friday, 23 cupcakes on Saturday. How many cupcakes did they sell in all? So as each student completes the exit ticket in order to successfully, because they will exit the class, and this will be like an exit for a recess until the students are actually getting until they actually complete and get the assignment correct. I will have the students at the end of this of the lesson for that day. We will go ahead and I will stand at the door and have the students come. As each student comes to the door, I'm checking those two word problems, and if any errors I see, I have the students go back, correct it, come back, and then check it again. And if there's correct, I then proceed on letting those students go with the next class to recess as an exit ticket. The next day would be in the form of a test in which those students will it be the same word sentences. Sam collected 36 seashells on the beach. She put 19 back. How many seashells does she have left? And that is pretty much a subtraction question. So, like there will be like subtraction put in place because that would be like sort of the next lesson that we will be going into, which is subtraction. But this lesson is more so focused on addition, and going leading over going into the next subtraction um, for the next day afterwards. Um, where we will start off into will be it won't be a video because we start off a video with this starting up this lesson here. So we'll go ahead and start off with the I do we do lessons, and then after that we will work board work, and then we will go and get into the bulk of the work of the assignments with actually completing the assignment of of subtraction using word problems. IEPs and 504s will be modified. The lesson objectives will be modified and to fit that student's criteria in their IEP or 504 if their work needs modifying or if some of the problems are worked will be uh, slightly, it won't be as challenging as the other students' material that are in the class. But this is a pretty much a lead model test. I show you, I show, I teach, I model, and then I let the students. I work one out on the board, and then the students lead by they pretty much work and examples on the board, and then for the assessment, which is the testing, uh, then I test the students out to see where they're at. This completes my lesson plan for adding using number sentences for second grade. I want to thank you all for tuning in and watching. Thank you.